Hi, I'm going to talk about money. When we speak about money, how much money we needed is asking our question. How much? How much money we need for our entire life? This is a concept of this video. And welcome to our channel, Independent CJ. On the basis of 2019 data, 2,569 lakhs crores are around the world, like theaters, malls, and GDPA, all the account balance, all the things. For example, consider that lakhs rupees, 2,569 lakhs crores given to you. You think it is awesome, but it is wrong. That lakh rupees is equal to just paper. It does not have any value. There is no buyer or seller. Maybe you were happy for 3 days. There is no value. Whether it you understand, great. Whether you thinking that money want to exist in the world, there must be a answer is there must be a buyer and a seller. At last, the product is needed. Come back to our question: how much money needed for your entire life? You are saying is huge, but it is wrong answer. You may be earn a lot of money, but you live in a one house. Might be other house be rent, sold as rent, and a drive only one car or bike. Maybe you have 1, 2, or 3 vacations only. At a time, you only eat one product. At we want to understood that and continue this video because answer is inside that. How much money you needed for entire life? We should set a target, maybe 5 crores, 10 crores, or 15 crores. Then we must achieve that target at what age? Correctly want to fix and start to work. Whether it is possible, yes. Some people maybe have a slow or slowness, or some people might be have a fast, but it is possible. The next step is how to fix the target. Consider that you are earning monthly income as 1 lakh at the age of 30, and target should be minimum 300 to 400 times, the maximum of 1000 times. Minimum you should earn of 3 crores to 4 crores, maximum of 10 crores. We should aim and put a target. Whether you saying that how it is possible, yes, it is possible. On a basis of matrix, at the age of 30, you earning of 1 lakh. And at of 55, you earn 3 crores. It is possible. At you at the age of 60, you earned 5 crores. It is possible. If you reached the target, then you are attained the financial freedom. Next, money should work for you. You should not work for money. It is the first episode of money series. Then from this video we understand that when money becomes useless and how to set the target for money. Thank you for watching.